What's going on, everybody? This is going to be the wrap-up video for the shop weekend where we refurbed up the ATC200S and then worked on a Tao Motors Mudhawk 200. And we're going to take them for a little bit of ride. You get to see that. And then at the end, we're going to button up the Tao Tao. And if you're enjoying the stuff, hop on down, hit the subscribe button, leave us a comment, let us know what you think. Anyway, enjoy the video.
It's the Hillbilly on the YouTube channel. Oh, hell yes.
Well, this is a double test ride right here. One beat.
All right, I'm recording. That's that guy, and I'm this guy, and these are the death machines for the day.
We're gonna see if they work. I can't get too crazy on this because I don't own it, and the body isn't there. We're gonna find out.
Oh, let's see. That's a marshmallow. I'm riding high, man. It's weird.
Is it weird?
Dude, it's weird.
You wanna go first?
It don't matter.
Running pretty good.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
I think we got her. Yeah? What?
This damn seat, dude. It's a marshmallow.
How's it running?
That's a comfortable ride, man, but I'm so off center and balance is not right.
Sounds pretty mean. This thing's right as rain.
Seems like it's doing good.
That was a patented donut test. That was. Now the shutoff test. do the shut-off test.
Oh, she painted a target?
Yeah, for knife throwing. All right, let them sit for a second, and then we'll start them back up.
See, dude, that's so marginal.
Well, I think we did a number on both of them, bro.
It looks a little shallower today.
Yeah, it definitely looks like the water's down, but it's so clear.
Yeah, it's because we ain't been out there to disturb it. Yeah, that's beautiful. This is Joe and Amber's Serenity. This is the serene spot.
Oh yeah.
This is where magic happens, people.
It's a little slice of heaven. We still got a tent here from you know who.
Oh yeah. This mess over here would belong to me. Not that mess, that's theirs. This guy made it through 1 year. Didn't make it through the first storm. But I got ran over now. I'll have to pick that up sometime this coming spring.
Well, you already got some branches up on your nice. Okay, this is the restart test. We just ripped them a little bit, got them warm, and we'll see if they both start back up.
This ain't working. Oh, you got your lighter on you? My Zippo just ran out of fluid.
I do not.
All right, it can wait.
Just started back up.
Oh yeah, that's a Honda for you. First pull and first gear started.
That's the way it's supposed to be. Big old tree fell down.
Wow, dude, that sucks.
I know.
It got hit by lightning, Joe.
Yeah?
You see the base of it? It got hit by lightning.
Yeah, something happened.
That's what took it out.
Well, yeah, now it's hard to get in there.
Well, guess what? We got chainsaws. I gotta check that out, though. I bet you there's... Damn, dude. It did too. It got it good. Ooh, buddy.
Well, she's holding together, Brian.
Yeah, man, look at it. Fried that root system.
Well, we had some good pals back here too, so
Dude,
I don't doubt it.
lightning got her good.
Yeah, but we're gonna have to come out here and clean all this up.
Yeah.
And it's not gonna be fun because you remember how deep that is right there.
Hey, Joe, come here and check this out.
What?
It's wire, dude.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's like old fencing.
And it had growed up in the layers of the tree as the tree grew.
Yeah, it's like old baling wire right here.
Yeah, it's all up in there.
Down it went.
I wonder if it traveled through or if it just hit right here.
I don't know.
Man, dude, it's like super hard as a rock right now.
Yeah, it's all fried.
Crazy.
It's all charred right there.
I want some lightning glass, man.
Amber's already been through there.
Yeah, of course.
So yeah, we're gonna have to redesign our mud pit.
Yeah.
We're gonna call him Elron Fast Trip to the Hospital.
No. No.
You got your GoPro on, right?
Yes, I do. Yeah, look at me. I can balance. Okay, can we Hong Kong Fooey this without sinking? Nah, I'm not gonna try it. You wanna see me fly?
Sure. Hold on. GoPro's on, right?
Yeah. But dude, the ground, you know?
Yeah.
I could probably either stop here or stop here.
You're gonna
Yeah. No parkour today, people. Yeah, let's see. It's all moss, dude. I'm glad I landed on the tree, because I would have went down at least that far, because it's all mossy. We are walking on the water.
Yeah, next spring we'll have to come out here and clean her up.
Oh.
Get us a new path in.
Let people say these boots are just for riding dirt bikes. You just not see my balancing skills.
Well, let's see if this thing will make it up the hill, huh?
Yeah. That's not a bad little hill. That should make it.
All right, first pull, right?
First pull. Ready?
Ready. First pull. Go first, we're gonna follow him. We're gonna follow you on the way back.
Oh, wait a minute. What? I want to get my wheelie.
Well, this thing is belt driven, which doesn't give me a whole lot of get up and go, but it seems like a top speed is pretty good. Vibrate like a Chinese quad pretty good. Not much for a top speed though. It gets up it, and she turns pretty good too, which is cool. All right. I gotta say, that thing sounds way healthier. It's your brake, yeah. She sounds way better, man. So we're back at the Tao Motors Raptor 200, Trailhawk 200, whatever you want to call it. All we got to do is reassemble the front and do an oil change on it, and we should be good. Give it a little cleanup, a little bit of a ride, and we should be good for the guy to come pick her up. It's been interesting doing some learning on this thing. Everything was loose. We've got everything tight, so there it is. So we'll get that done real fast, and then we'll see where we're at. Well, I guess when it's all said and done, my opinion on the Tao Motors Raptor, or Sport XX, we'll just call it 200. I expected a little bit more get up and go from it. Just really being belt driven, being 160 cc's, it just really doesn't give you a whole lot. The lights were a cool idea, but they seem to be more of a pain, and they don't really illuminate the trail very good at dark. Classic Chinese stuff. Every bolt needs to be thread locked. They just don't make them as good as they do in Japan. But for the price, if you want to wrench on them just a little bit, you got yourself an alright ride. So anyway, we'll check you out next time. Well, was that fun?
That was fun.
Good time?
Good time.
All right.
Now we're gonna go blow some stuff up.
Which we got to, right?
Hillbilly, oh hell yeah! Oh hell yeah!
Oh hell yeah!
Oh hell yeah!
Oh hell yeah!
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!